completed my graduation from Gudlavalleri Engineering College in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering. I got selected for TCS, Infosys, Gensar and Tech Mahindra. Today I'm going to share my interview experiences of Tech Mahindra through Tech Mahindra channel. The role I was offered for the Tech Mahindra is Associate System Engineer and the package was 3.25 lakhs. Before actually joining the job, we had to do an internship in Tech Mahindra. At the time of the internship, they'll give 20,000 per month, and after completion of the internship, they'll offer 3.25 lakh per annum. I got to know about the Tech Mahindra drive through my college placement cell. It was a pool drive. There is an eligibility criteria to attend for the drive. Like we should have 60% in our academics, and there should not be no active backlog at the time of drive, and there should not be more than 1 year gap throughout our studies. I met all the eligibility criteria and I attended for the drive. The written test consists of 3 rounds. Every round is an elimination round. That means if you want to go to second round, you have to clear the first round. Otherwise, you will get eliminated. The first round is aptitude test. Here they will test your quantitative ability, logical ability and verbal ability. So once you clear the round 1, you will go to round 2. This is personality and communication test. Here they will show you a picture. Based on that picture, you have to write an essay. So once you clear this round 2, you will go to round 3. That is coding test. They will give you a basic code and a metal platform. You have to write a code and execute it. So once you clear all these rounds, you will get to attend the interview. Through previous papers. Before 1 week of the Tech Mahindra test, I have gathered all the previous papers of Tech Mahindra from the internet and started to solve them. So if you solve the previous papers, you will get the confidence to attend the test. So sometimes it might happen that the questions from previous papers may also reappear in the exam. So it's better to start solving previous papers before going to the test. For the interview, I have brushed up my basics of my skills like C, C++, Java, Python, data structures, which I had mentioned in my resume. And I have seen many mock interviews of Tech Mahindra in YouTube, and I seeked advice from my seniors who had already placed in Tech Mahindra, and I got to know some of the interview questions which they had faced at the time of their interview. So this really helped me a lot to crack the interview. Well, there was no time gap between the test and the interview in my case. Like today I wrote the exam. By the evening I got the result of clearing the test. The very next day I had to attend the interview. So within a span of 1 week or 10 days I got the result of clearing the interview. Requirements specified while attending the interview are college ID card, 2 copies of resume, 2 copies of color photographs, and all the mark sheets of 10th, inter and all the grade cards from your BTech semester. So these are the requirements that I got from Tech Mahindra to attend for interview. Yeah, there are 2 rounds in the interview process, technical round and the HR round. Once you clear the technical round, you will get to HR round. So in technical round, they'll ask you about all the technical questions from your academics, and in HR round, they'll ask you general questions like about yourself, your family, your strengths, your weaknesses and all about it. Technical round, they asked me to explain about my academic project and internship project. Later they asked me some basic questions in C, C++, Java, Python and data structures, which I have mentioned in my resume. And after clearing my technical round, I went into HR round. In HR round, they asked me about myself, my family, my school life, my college, my strengths, weaknesses and all the general questions. I want to give 2 tips for each and every person who are aspiring to get a job. The first tip is be clear with your basics. That means no interview will go out of your resume. If you mention your skills in your resume are C, C++ and Java, you should be in a position to answer any kind of question from these 3 subjects, at least basics. So the next tip is communication skills, guys. Of course, communication skills play a very important role in cracking the interview. Not only Tech Mahindra, in any kind of interview, communication skills play a very important role. So if you are a bit low in your English fluency, Try to concentrate more on your communication skills.